Good afternoon, everybody. Today we have the Henry Repeating Arms 4570, made in the U.S. and made of very high quality. This 4570 was designed in 1873 after the Civil War. This was the gun that tamed the West. The name 4570 comes from a 45 caliber with 70 grains of powder. Guys, this is a devastating round. Let me tell you that. This thing packs a punch. This particular model doesn't have no side gate. This one is tube fed with that beautiful brass magazine, which adds a nice accent to the already beautiful gun. A beautiful walnut finish that with a nice sleek satin design. It has no knurling on it like some of the other ones. I originally wasn't going to get this gun, but I got it at a really good deal, so I couldn't say no. I really love the Henry all-weather one. I'm hoping to get that pretty soon. But this is an absolutely beautiful gun. The magazine is beautiful. The lever action on here is beautiful. It's a very popular gun for hunters and big game hunters. A very lethal round that can definitely handle anything here in North America and even taking the big six in Africa, including elephant. It's got about a 4-pound trigger. Like I said, a beautiful brass magazine. I think it's 5+1 in the chamber, so 6. It's about 8 pounds. Overall, I think it's a little under 40 inches long. I think 37. It's got a beautiful brass end cap here. And another one here on the stock here for a swivel, for a sling. Which I have when I'm using the gun for hunting. But when it's in the cabinet, I don't really have a sling mounted on it. It's got an extra large lever on here that's as smooth as can be. There's no external safety on here, but it does have a hammer transfer bar. Well, like I said, the lever on here is extra large for somebody who was wearing a glove, but it's flawless. It's very, very smooth. I'm a 30-30 guy. That's always been my go-to hunting rifle up until I took a shot at a monster. I hit him at about 150 yards, a nice clean shot. And to be honest with you, that big buck didn't even flinch. I never was able to find it. I found some blood for a little bit. And that was the last that I saw of that big monster. I then got into this, the 4570. And I got to tell you guys, I knocked down a monster this past deer season. I should get the mount back here in a couple weeks. Once I get it and get it back up to the camp, I'm going to show you guys some nice big trophy bucks that I got with this 4570. And like I said, it's a very, very lethal round. The recommended range is 300 to 600 yards, but this 4570 with the right build can easily reach out to 1,000 yards. I dropped this last monster at about 150 yards, and the impact on it, I mean, there was no chance that the deer was going to get up and run or do anything. I mean, it knocked it down like it got hit by a dump truck. That's the power of this 4570. Up here on the top, it's already drilled and tapped for a scope, which is something that Henry did that I absolutely love. I haven't got a scope on it yet, but eventually I will. It's got a nice buckhorn sights here that are adjustable with a diamond in the middle here. Easy to line up with the front brass bead here, sight up here that's adjustable for windage. It's got the octagon barrel, which I really like also on this one. Overall, it's just a very beautiful, well-made gun. I mean, to hold in your hand, it feels amazing. Like I said, I was a 30-30 guy. And I know there's a lot of hunters out there that use a 30-30. I was one of them, and I'm still one of them. But since I've got this, I got to tell you, I've never been more confident in the woods shooting at big monster bucks as I am with this gun. Just, because I know that's it. Like I said, it's a very lethal round, very devastating power. The lever on here is so smooth, and these are very accurate right out of the box. As I stated, it's 5+1. In the tube, you just turn it here, right there, that little pin there, and you don't even have to take the tube all the way out to load it. You can just drop your shells in right in here, or you can take out the brass magazine, either or. But it's very fast to load and very fast to unload, considering it doesn't have a side port, this particular one, or no side gate. But again, it's very fast to load and unload. You want to unload it, you don't have to use the lever. You just pull the tube out right there, tip it upside down, and the shells fall right into your hand. Well-made design. And like I said, a little knurling on here to help you lock it in. Very easy. It's a wonderful gun. I use a 450 grain barrel load on mine while I'm deer hunting, and man, that thing is powerful. For just target shooting, I use these Super X Winchesters 300 grain. This is a straight walled cartridge, and it's about, that cartridge is about 2.5 inches in size, so it's pretty big. Like I said, it's got a lot of knockdown power. Yeah, we're at about 2.5 inches. I mean, that's a big round. I mean, look at the size of that thing. It's almost big as my index finger. I absolutely love this gun. It's also a great guide gun and a great brush gun. Later on, I'll do a video for those that don't know what a brush gun is. But nothing's going to stop this. If you're looking for a gun for brush to go through twigs and branches, this is it right here, guys. I know some 30-30s are capable of doing it, but not like this. Nothing will stop this. I've tested it for a few years, and like I said, I have never missed another deer since I've gotten this about 4.5, 5 years ago. I've taken about 7 monster bucks with it, and when I get back up to camp in a couple weeks, when I get that mount back, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. You won't believe it. Henry, they offer a lifetime warranty with this firearm, and I absolutely love it. Again, it's very fast to load and unload. There's several options to use for load grains, whatever it is you prefer. This one has no rubber butt plate on the back. As you can see, it's brass. When you're out there in the woods in the middle of November with a hunting coat on, you feel it, but you don't feel it as bad as if you're just out target shooting with a t-shirt on. Because I did that just trying it out, sighting it in for this past deer season, and I will tell you, I left the woods with my shoulder black and blue from just wearing a t-shirt. There's much recoil at all, but like I said, it does pack a punch. So very loud, and like I said, it hits hard. You could pick one of these up for, I think the MSRP is around $800, but I've seen it for $600 and $700. As I stated, I got this one at a great deal, and I absolutely love it. A great guide gun because it lets you get up and close and personal very quickly if you're in a dangerous situation. And the lever on here is just absolutely amazing. I mean, so smooth. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm going to do a video later on about brush guns. But this is a very beautiful gun to add to your collection. You will not be disappointed at all. Like I said, I'm hoping to get the all-weather one because this is a little too pretty to take out to the woods. But it is what it is. and I honestly, I don't have any complaints. I really love the gun a lot. I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, everybody.